North Carolina until 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:22 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding,
You didn't
and
go
trees.
off.
Locations impacted include Albemarle, Troy, Bacon Lake, Bisco, Baden, Denton, Star, New London, Stevens, and El Dorado.
El
For your protection,
Dorado.
move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Davidson, Montgomery, and Stanley.